Bruh, what's with the immediate tone out? Dude, immediate tone out, bruh. I barely even got the notification.
This watch includes the following counties: District of Columbia and the following
Brother.
in Maryland: Howard, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following.
Now I gotta carry around my Minotaur everywhere.
Fairfax and London, and the following independent cities: Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax and Falls Church, and the following: Tidal Potomac from Key Ridge to Indian Head, Maryland, and Patapsco River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large-scale and damaging winds in close to the watch area.
Barely even had time to get lunch. I didn't even get my lunch started.
Weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the...
Okay. Bruh. What do you want?
Warning for eastern county in north central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central County in northern Virginia, northeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle and West Virginia, northeastern Murphy County in the Panhandle and West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m.
Oh, I got
The thunderstorm was located over St. James or near Municipal Stadium, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Hagerstown, Shepherdstown, Municipal Stadium, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Robinwood, Brunswick, Walkersville, Boonesboro, Braddock Heights, Wilson Conical, Williamsport, Mount Etna, Mount Lena, San March, Clover Hill, Discovery Spring Gardens, Point of Rocks, and Wilkesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Are you kidding me, bruh? For where, when, and why? Montgomery, Loudon, Fairfax, brother.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Potomac or near Rockville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Bro.
This could injure those outdoors.
What?
Damage homes and
Sorry.
vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations include Arlington, Germantown, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Raleigh, Falls Church, Rose Island, Chinook Hills, McLean, American Legion Bridge, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Sterling, North Potomac, Tysons Corner, Red Wolf Trap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Silent scan.
Bruh.